Hi everyone, my name is Sasawat Yimliang, a computer programming and analysis student from Seneca College. Today I have the presentation about ICT news in the topic of global market for low-code technologies expect to grow 20% in 2023 from Gartner. I choose this topic because low-code is a solution to provide the ability to create and deploy cloud-based applications with a little or no programming skill needed for the most of the business that currently use them. But we need to start from what is a low-code. The idea of low-code was introduced in 2011. The concept of low-code is considered to be a novel and cutting-edge concept in the field of programming. Development platforms that reduce code and automate development tasks for developers have recently started to become widely adopted. No-code is a typical use to create the tactical apps to handle similar functions. Low-code can do the same as well, but additionally, to create apps that run processes that are critical to the business or to its organization core system, such as a certain integration and digital transformation initiative. This concept of leveraging technologies that allow non-programmers such as the manager and executive to create their own application. The new generations of low-code and no-code development tools are much easier to leverage, and since many are cloud deployed and they cost very little. And as you can see from this example of low-code development tools, these tools are used graphical interface, allowing non-programmers to draw out how the program should work given accessing database and providing very complex processing. In the case of no-code, no programming is allowed, or the low-code, some programming can occur to meet the special requirement of application. Those that are not programmers can create very powerful applications that they can define and change to meet the specific needs of the business. The advantage of leveraging no-code and low-code tools as decide the decision for your cloud solution that removes the barrier between those who need to define what an application does and the programmer that must develop an app on their behalf. For the news, according to Gartner Inc., the worldwide market for low-code development technologies is forecast to total $26.9 billion US in 2023, represent an increase of 19.6% from 2022. A rise in business technologies, enterprise-wide automate work processes, and composable business initiative, following growing demands for optimized customer experience, plus economic pressures and high cost of tech talent are reported to be driving the fast adoptions of low-code technologies. Risha Mehta, Senior Market Research Specialist at Gartner said, equipping both professional IT developers and non-IT personnel with the diverse low-code tools enable organizations to reach the level of digital competency and speed of delivery required for the modern agile environment. Low-code application platforms are projected to be the largest component of the low-code development technologies market, growing 25% to reach nearly $10 billion US in 2023. Citizen automation developed platforms are projected to grow at the fastest pace, with a 30.2% growth forecast for 2023. CADP typically include automating workflows, building web-based forms, bridging data and content across the multiple software as a service application or SaaS, and creating reports and data visualizations. Gartner also predicts that by 2026, developers outside formal IT department will account for at least 80% of the user base on the low-code development tools, up to 60% in 2021. The report news highlights the widespread adoption of low-code among the companies, signaling an ongoing trend that could have implications for programmers who are not familiar with the concept. While low-code facilitates better communication between non-programmers and programmers, it also enables non-programmers to create basic code without prior programming knowledge. As such, the rise of low-code underscores the need for programmers to stay up to date with industry developments and continuously adapt their skills to meet the challenge demand. Thank you for your time. I hope this presentation will be helpful to everyone. Good luck.